Hey everyone! A major advancement in Intel's desktop processor strategy, the Intel Core Ultra 7 265K, clearly ushers in a new age characterized by hybrid architectures, AI acceleration, and platform-level innovation. This processor, which is positioned in the top mid-range market and is built on the Arrow Lake architecture, functions as a highly adaptable solution that can power both demanding workstations and high-end gaming systems without compromising. The Core Ultra 7 265K's hybrid core configuration, which blends efficiency and performance cores into a single, cohesive machine, is its main feature. Although Intel has historically used this strategy, Arrow Lake makes it seem more sophisticated and intentional. 8 performance cores and 12 efficiency cores make up the processor's total of 20 physical cores. Here, Intel has abandoned hyper-threading, which means that each core manages a single thread for a total of 20 threads, in contrast to some earlier generations. On paper, this could appear to be a restriction, but in practice, it is very different. For this hybrid design to be successful, Intel Thread Director plays a critical role. By dynamically allocating workloads among core types, it makes sure that performance cores tackle demanding activities like gaming, rendering, or compiling, while efficiency cores handle background jobs and lighter processes. The processor's capabilities are further reinforced by clock rates. Maintaining consistency in performance is also influenced by cache configuration. The CPU is well suited to manage big data sets and lower latency in complicated applications because of its 30 MB L3 cache and sizable L2 cache pool. This is particularly apparent in productivity jobs like software development, video editing, and situations requiring a lot of multitasking. With this type of technology, power consumption is a crucial factor. The Core Ultra 7 265K is officially rated at 125 watts base power and up to 250 watts in turbo conditions, but depending on motherboard settings and BIOS configurations, it can consume much more in real-world systems. Cooling becomes crucial as a result. To guarantee that the processor maintains its boost clocks without thermal throttling, high-end air coolers or liquid cooling solutions are not only advised, but practically required. The Core Ultra 7 265K incorporates a number of other technologies that raise its overall value in addition to its sheer CPU performance. Intel QuickSync Video, a specialized hardware engine for video encoding and decoding, is another noteworthy feature. This increases productivity and performance in media-related tasks by offloading work from the CPU cores. Although it isn't always the best in CPU-bound situations, gaming performance is good. The processor has more than enough power to achieve high frame rates for the majority of contemporary games, especially when combined with a powerful graphics card. The overall layout of the system has a significant impact on thermals and long-term performance. The processor maintains steady temperatures and high boost frequencies in a well-cooled system, producing reliable performance for both productivity and gaming applications. So, the Intel Core Ultra 7 265K is a strong and versatile desktop processor that embodies Intel's evolving vision for modern computing. Strong multi-core performance, reliable single-core speeds, sophisticated media capabilities, and cutting-edge AI features are all combined into one package. It rewards users with a degree of adaptability that makes it suitable for a variety of use cases, from professional tasks to high-performance gaming, even though it requires adequate cooling and a strong platform to properly shine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.